Hi friends, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about Boao Forum. And in this session, we'll first discuss a brief about Boao Forum. Boao is a place in China, and then we'll discuss about the Boao Forum Annual Conference 2021, and then we'll discuss this Boao Forum is developed on the lines of World Economic Forum. So we'll discuss few points about World Economic Forum and the Great Reset Initiative of World Economic Forum, which is a recent initiative. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. So friends, the Boa Forum of Asia, that is BFA, it is an international not-for-profit organization which was jointly initiated by 26 member states in 2001. The members have now increased to 29, and India is also a member to the Boa Forum for Asia, and its annual conference is held in Boao, which is in Hainan province of China, on a regular basis. And the establishment of BFA is modeled on the lines of World Economic Forum, which bases its annual meeting in Davos, that is in Switzerland, and thus the BFA earning the name Davos of the East. And the founding purpose of BFA was to promote economic integration in Asia. Its mission now is to pool positive energy for the development of Asia and the world. And the forum has not only played a unique role in pooling consensus and putting forward valuable Boao proposals, but also engaged countries in addressing global issues and promoting world development and prosperity. So its five focal areas include technology, innovation, health is there, education, culture, and media in response to the new economy. So that is the brief about the Boa Forum. The gist is it is an international not-for-profit organization founded by 26 countries in 2001, and the annual conference is held in Boao, which is in China, on a regular basis, and it is modeled on the lines of World Economic Forum. And the founding purpose is to promote the economic integration in Asia. And five focal areas include technology, innovation, health, education, culture, and media. So that is about the Boa Forum. Now we'll discuss brief about the BFA conference 2021. So friends, the BFA witnessed more than 2,500 participants coming from more than 60 countries. This year's theme is A World in Change, Join Hands to Strengthen Global Governance and Advance Belt and Road Corporation. The main agenda is to strengthen mutual understanding in the post-pandemic era, create additional incentives for socio-economic growth and effective global governance. And an annual report on Asian economy was released on the occasion, which highlighted the importance of Asian economies, which have fared well despite the ongoing pandemic. And in terms of purchasing power parity, Asia's share in global economic aggregate in 2020 has reached 47.3%, that is up 0.9 percent points from 2019. So it shows that the economic integration of all Asian economies is accelerating, and also the signing of Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership RCEP has been injecting strong momentum into regional and global economic growth. And remember that India is not a part of RCEP, that is Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. So that is about the BFA conference annual conference 2021. Now we'll discuss a brief about the World Economic Forum. So friends, World Economic Forum was developed on 1971 as a not-for-profit organization. It is on the same lines BFA is established, and it was initially named as a European Management Forum. Later it changed its name to World Economic Forum in 1987. And the aim is to improve the state of world by engaging business, political, academic, and other leaders of society to shape global, regional, and industry agendas. and it is headquartered in Geneva, that is Switzerland. And there are few reports submitted by or released by World Economic Forum. Few important reports are Global Competitiveness Report, Global Gender Gap Report, Global Risk Report, and Global Travel and Tourism Report, among others. So these are very important reports published by World Economic Forum. And there was a World Economic Forum agenda summit held in Davos in 2021, and it was virtually organized World Economic Forum summit. And this summit will mark the launch of World Economic Forum's Great Reset initiatives, which aims to rebuild the economy sustainably following the COVID-19 pandemic. And there are 7 key themes to the 2021 summit, that is how to save the planet, fairer economies, tech for good, society, and future of work, better business, healthy futures, and beyond geopolitics. So that is a brief about the World Economic Forum. Now discuss few points about the Great Reset initiative of WEF. So as we discussed, the World Economic Forum's Great Reset initiative aims to rebuild the economy sustainably following the COVID-19 pandemic. We know that globally there is a slowdown happened due to COVID-19 all across the world. And so World Economic Forum is initiating the Great Reset initiative to rebuild the economy sustainably, and it is based on the assessment that the world economy is in deep trouble, and situation has been made a lot worse by many factors, including the pandemic's devastating effects on global society, the unfolding technological revolution, and the consequences of climate change. These all are the reasons behind the deep trouble in the world economy. And the world must act jointly and swiftly to revamp all aspects of our societies and economies, from education to social contracts and working conditions. Every country must participate, and every industry from oil and gas to tech must be transformed. And in short, there should be a great reset of capitalism. That is what they intend. So that is a brief about Great Reset initiative. We'll come to know details about the Great Reset initiative in the coming days. So keep a watch on that. And this is a very important topic, guys, especially the BFA and the Great Reset initiative. So please study about this. It could help in your prelims as well as mains also. And thank you for watching this lesson. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic.